Warning, your gum habit might be gross. Did you know some chewing gums contain artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and even chemicals like BHA, which is also used in food packaging? Yeah, not exactly what you'd call chewing fresh. Let's break it down. Some gums have aspartame, which can be toxic in large amounts. Others contain gum base made from petroleum products. Not appetizing, right? But here's the thing, not all gums are created equal. Look for natural ingredients, opt for gums with clear labeling, and read those labels carefully. So what's the takeaway? Be a savvy chewer. Know what you're putting in your body and make informed choices. Your health and taste buds will thank you. Ready to chew smarter? Share your favorite gum hacks in the comments below.